5 army personnel have been killed and 6 injured after terrorists attacked a military convoy in the remote Machadi area of India's Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua district on Monday afternoon. The army vehicles were on a routine patrol on the Machadi-Kindli-Malhar road when attacks about 150 km from Kathua. The injured have been shifted to a hospital for treatment. After the initial attack, terrorists threw a grenade and then opened fire. The security forces retaliated, but the terrorists fled into the nearby forest. Officials said that reinforcements were then rushed in and a search operation was launched to track down the terrorists. Officials said that there are intermittent firing going on between the terrorists and the security forces. This is the second attack on the Indian Army in the Jammu region in the past 48 hours. On Sunday, an army camp in Rajouri district was attacked, where one soldier got injured.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।